Okay, you're missing a bunch of shingles here from the wind. Wind blew up these shingles. All these ridge caps too, look at that. All the ridge caps across the peak got blown off. That was pretty hefty winds. Over here, these are starting to get loose too. You can see those looking to come up too. You lost a bunch here. Yeah, here too, see? And those caps there also. Nothing on the front. Nope. One little tab all the way over there. But let's see if it's sealed down here. That's what matters. No, look at this. It's just because there's ice on the roof right now, but look, I could lift them up with my fingers. Yeah, that's not sealed at all. That's not good. That means that it's a matter of time before that section goes too. They're supposed to be 110-mile-an-hour shingles, these shingles. They're all nailed correctly, but they're all getting blown off here. So, I'm going to estimate the roof, but at the same time, I think you should call your insurance company and get your insurance company involved here, because this is definitely premature. You know, the roof still has, good 10 years left. You know, this was a 40-year shingle when it was put on. So, here's some more over here, see? Missing them there. Those are all broken from flopping. Another one down there. So you got 2/3 of the scapes affected here.